It is officially Spring Break Bash week. I think they actually renamed it to Spring Break Matsuri. So that is happening this week. I am so stoked. That means it's officially been 1 whole year since my first ever drift event. I went to Spring Break Bash last year in the Barbie 350Z. It looked nothing like it does now at the time. It started off as a plain white car that I had just gotten, which is funny because it's sort of mirroring my journey now with the Corvette. And there are a few things that I want to get done on the Corvette before the event gets here. So I'm going to be starting on some of those things today. And before I get into this video, I have a huge announcement. We are officially restocking the House of Pre Midnight Club Volt hoodies for the first and only time ever. This is backed by popular demand, and you guys kept DMing me, asking me when I was going to be bringing that hoodie back, and I'm doing it. I'm never gonna do it again, but I will admit it is one of my all-time favorite hoodies ever. It actually came from my Midnight Club collection drop. That was the first ever House of Pre drop over a year ago now. So I'm officially bringing them back, and I will have them for pre-order available right now. Pre-order is only gonna be 24 hours, and I know I'm posting this video a little bit on the later side, so thank you guys so much for all of the love and support. If you guys haven't seen this hoodie before, I wear it all the time in a bunch of my videos. We got the House of Pre logo front print. We have big Midnight Club print on the back. I know I'm showing this really bad right now. We got a checkered sleeve print and House of Pre on the other sleeve. I have a ton of photos online, but this is one of my all-time favorite hoodies. This is the only time I will ever be reprinting this hoodie. Along with the pre-order drop, we finally made some stickers. Honestly, this is just taking me forever to do because I am so picky when it comes to making things, and I searched forever to find the dopest sticker vinyl to make these stickers from. These are all available on the site with the Midnight Club Volt hoodie pre-order as well. Alright, first things first, I need to put some of these new stickers to work. I don't know if you can notice on the Z, but the pollen here is just destroying cars. So I already wiped down the glass. I think I want to do neon yellow there, maybe. Do I want pink or neon yellow on the front? I think I want pink. All right, pink in the front. Then I'm gonna do the neon yellow in the back. Heck yeah, that looks awesome. Oh my God, I love it. Neon is so perfect. Okay, now that we once again have stickers done, let's talk about these wheels. Now, these were just some cheap BMW wheels that I grabbed off Marketplace for like $100 for a set, and I was never planning to keep them this long. However, I still obviously don't have my wide body kit. I do have an update on the kit, and my update is that I have no exact ETA of when it's gonna get here. It is stuck in Monaco, hasn't even been shipped yet. I think a lot of things are still shut down over there. So I'm coming up with a backup plan. I actually already got front fenders that are wide, they're stock Z06 fenders, and I'm working on something for the rear. And I recently fell in love with another kit that is here in the US, so I am actively working on that. so I can get the wheels that I want on the front and these off. So I wasn't planning to have them for that long, but because I'm going into an event this weekend and because I'm going to have them for at least a few more weeks, I'm gonna at least make them look a little better. Look at this. This is driving me crazy. All of the old paint chipped off. We gotta do something about that. I can't go into Spring Break Bash looking like that. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna be working on. First, I'm gonna paint the wheels. Now I've looked all over today, went to many different stores to try and find a pink or hot pink spray paint, plasti dip, any of the variety that would work for these wheels as a temporary solution. I found nothing. All of the pink and the colors that I would want, I would have had to order already, and they would get in too late for the event. So I'm gonna do something that I never thought I would do in my life, actually. I'm gonna be painting the wheels. Sorry, it's really hard for me to say this. I'm gonna be painting the wheels black. I know, it's like literally the opposite of neon, and it kind of pains me to do it, but they're already black and it'll be the easiest to just throw on there and make the entire car look better. I'm totally fine having two different colors set up for wheels on the car, but black's just gonna be the easiest, and I can't find any pink locally that would be here in time. So that is the game plan. We are painting some wheels. So we are gonna at least kind of prep the wheels before paint. These are very cheap wheels and they're very temporary. Probably only gonna have them on the car for a couple of weeks. They're really rough, and I did that. I'm not trying to do a full wheel restoration and full paint prep and then paint. I'm just trying to make them look good for now. So I'm gonna give them a little clean and then go in with some paint. Pointed at the wheels perfectly right now, so I'm gonna let them sit out here. I did end up chipping a lot more of the black paint that was coming off until it hit a stopping point, so I did that to both of them, and now I'm just gonna wait till they dry. I need your help on a very important decision. These are the options I've managed to find in your shop. So I think I should definitely hit it with primer first. It's really bad. Like there's chips of paint. I think this will help everything, so I think we definitely go with him. But then do we hit it with plasti dip or do we hit it with this guy?
No. Satin
Those
black.
are the only, we don't have any.
Satin black?
No, maybe not on that side. You found black somewhere?
Satin clear with flat black. I think that's the move.
You think this is enough?
Yeah.
And primer. Sweet.
Go have fun.
Thanks. The last time I did something like this, I was plasti dipping the wheels on my stock RX-8 about a decade ago. And guess what color? I was plasti dipping them neon yellow, of course. Even a decade ago. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I'm getting rid of the fake three-piece looking wheel lip we got going on. So painting the whole thing black, if that wasn't obvious already. Oh my god, this primer is amazing. I've only done one thin coat. Like, you know, I got it lot better in the areas where there was a little more chipping paint. But dang, that is one coat, y'all. Here's the other wheel. That's sick. Good primer. I think I actually used this stuff, but like the lighter gray version when I painted my RX-7 three-rotor car. Alright, first coat of primer is done. I'm gonna let this dry for a while and then just hit it with black paint. So I went in with the black paint that I got from Adam and it still looks like primer. I painted that already. That is just the primer and it looks very similar, just darker, probably because it's a VHT high temp flame proof paint. But you know what, I'm gonna roll with it. I'm gonna do another coat. Maybe when I put the satin clear on, it'll look a little more like paint and not primer. I don't know. I feel like the bar was set so low with how these wheels originally were that I can only make them better. Second coat of the black definitely looks a lot better. Where it looks like it's a weird lighter shade, it's actually just still a little wet, so it's drying. I'm gonna let them both dry a little bit longer and then throw on some clear. While I'm waiting for the paint to dry, I did want to show you some new Corvette stuff. I just ordered these from Part Shop Max. This is an adjustable camber lockout kit. So I've noticed basically the 2 track days that I've done, when I get back from the track day, my alignment is totally out of whack. And every time, right here, this bolt is not where it's supposed to be. It moves a lot. So to fix that, I got these guys. Because every single time I come in my camber and toe, just after even half a track day, it's all out of whack and you can just hear this entire setup binding basically mid to end track day. So to help prevent that in the future, I got this adjustable camber kit from Part Shop Max. So I'm gonna be going over this thing and bolt checking it before the track day. And when I do that, I'll put these guys on, but just wanted to show you because they just came in and this will 100% help with that issue. Also, if you forgot about the seats, yep, they're still amazing. Here's your reminder. Look at that flake though. Oh, I love them so much. There we go, it looks so much better. I'll admit, Adam was right. Satin clear was for sure the move. In person, it really just looks like they've been powder coated. They're still wet right now, but when they're dry, I think they're gonna look awesome. Okay, I decided that I wanna lay another coat of the satin clear on there, so I'm gonna let them dry overnight. I thought I'd have them done today, but that is not the case. So this video is gonna go into tomorrow, where I will show you guys what they look like on the car. Already, the satin clear just is what they needed. They transformed them, and like I keep saying, the bar was already set so low with how the wheels originally were that pretty much anything's an upgrade. But I actually like how they're coming out, and I'm gonna end this video here. I'm sorry it's super short and random, but yeah, slowly but surely continuing to make improvements for the Corvette. It is Spring Break Bash week. I'm really stoked about it. Still a few more things I want to get done on the Corvette before event day. That is it for this video. A quick reminder about the Volt Midnight Club hoodie that is available now for pre-order. This will be the first and only restock of this hoodie ever, so go check it out. I will see you guys in the next one.